Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. You may know that this angle is different, but it's fine. The tripod that used to hold my camera broke, so we've got a different one, but this one is slightly taller and I can't make it shorter because it sits on the table. Anyway, today is Mystery Nail Art Challenge Day, as you know by the title. So now we will draw 2 items from our mystery bag and then figure something out. And also, we are running out of this season's usefulness, so I do have a new spring Shein haul that will be coming up with all new items for the bag, and these will get retired. But let's pick our items. Here's our bag, and you know, with the history of this, usually these items don't go together very well, so please cross your fingers that today's items are useful and not forcing me to make ugly nails. I think we're gonna go with a packet. What have we got? Okay. All right, so these are like marbly type stickers. I can work with that. Now, these colors are predominantly blue and orange, maybe a hint of green. Let's see what we're gonna have to put with it. Let's take this. Glitters. Well, I thought by choosing a pack with multiple in it that it would be better, but none of these go. But these dark ones, I think I can make them work anyway. So let me get some supplies. All right, so here are my items. Let's have a quick look at this up closer. So these stickers, I hope they're not too blurry, are watercolory, marbly looking. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these on top of a black nail polish. This is Mind Over Matter from Orly, but I mean black is black. And then I have held out these 2 glitters. One of them is just solid black and the other one's got some hollow in it. So I haven't 100% decided how I'm going to use these, but these are the 2 I'm willing to accept. So those are our main ideas, and I'm thinking that in some way maybe it's gonna resemble a crack in the matter, and that's where we're gonna see this inside. That's what I'm thinking. So firstly, we're gonna go in with a base coat of Orly Bonder. And then now that that is dry, we will go in quickly with our black. Alright, yeah, so luckily this is opaque enough that I think 1 coat will do. No need to add extra coats where they're not needed. We'll give this a moment to dry and then we'll throw on a quick dry top coat. We're going to use Orly Second Dry. Okay, so these are dry enough to touch. We're gonna try and put these stickers on here without making problems. Got some tweezers and the stickers. So I think I'm gonna try and put this one on the pinky, but I gotta get it off of here without tearing it. These tweezers are very sharp and known to tear my stickers if I'm not careful. Okay. And then I'm kind of thinking, because of the curve that it has, maybe we try and make it look like it's coming out of the corner. Yeah, like that. Okay. Alright, we're doing alright. I've got a wrinkle in it. Well, I've got a wrinkle in it. That's just how it is. But okay. Not bad. Yes, indeedy. Alright, let's get another one. This one's got an interesting shape. Let's see how we can get this on here. I like that. I think I'd like to try and get a little one down here if I can. If I have one small enough. I think I do. I can snip this little edge off because it's overhanging. No, it's not. I thought it was overhanging, but it's not. Okay, I like that. That's not bad. That one ripped a little. Okay, so what are we thinking? I don't hate it. And then basically I'm thinking we fill in the black with these glitters. What do you think? Let's try it. I've got our glitter recycler because that's how we're gonna do it. But first, we've got to paint clear on these spots. So we're gonna use this thick old top coat. We're gonna start with this solid black one, I think. Or actually we might, well, better do one at a time. That way I can salvage the leftovers from it. There's a cat in here, but we're going to ignore it because I don't have time for that right now, Smokey Joe. Kind of hard to get at these angles. A little up here, I guess. Okay, so we've got some glitter on that nail. We've got some glitter, we got some top coat. Base coat, Jesus. Let's get to tapping that in. Yeah, have we got it all the way around? Can y'all tell? I hope so. Let's let that sit for a moment. And then we'll brush off the excess. Matter of fact, I think so that our polish doesn't dry up on us, we're gonna go ahead and move to the next nail while that one is waiting to get brushed. Might as well be efficient, you know. I want to switch to the one with the hollow for these two, so I'm gonna try and dust these gently. They haven't been sitting super long, but I'd like to, you know, get what I can put back in this jar. Okay, let's continue. Alright, so I am going to try and put this one back in its container so we can switch back to the all black one, and I switched brushes. This one's a little bit smaller to try and do a gentle brush that maybe can be more targeted. I don't know. These are not dry by any stretch of the imagination. So we've got to be careful with them. Not to dust off too much, but I want to get what I can put back in its container so we're not mixing it or wasting it. Alright, let's put it on the last one. Okay, let's have a preliminary look at it. I do like the sparkle. Those need to lay down. Gonna have to mush them down better, and then we're gonna of course seal them in, but yes, I think it's pretty. Let's get these off of the edges. Yes, yes, what do y'all think? I think it's coming along. We're definitely gonna take a moment to let it, again, get kind of sturdier before we try and put something on it, but I like it so far. Be right back. All right, that's had some time to sit, and I've gone in and done a little bit rougher of a dusting to knock off any that are just barely hanging on, which actually there weren't that many that were just barely hanging on. Some I had to forcibly remove because they were just wanting to stick up, and that's not what I want. And then we're gonna go and seal all these in with this one, this top coat. It's from Finger Paints, but it's actually a concoction because it was getting thick. And then I had another one that was from Nina that was thick, and they were both half bottles, so I poured them together and put nail polish thinner in there, so it's thin enough now. But this usually makes a still semi-thick coating that can, you know, refract. So let's put that on real quick. All right, let's let that dry down. As nail polish dries, it thins. So these are going to get thinner and the texture is gonna start to try and come through. So I am gonna put another coat, but I just wanna give this one a moment. Got a piece of glitter here that's trying to come up. I'll deal with it though. Okay, so I did go in and put some more of that top coat on. I'm gonna try and show you the thickness. I put on a pretty thick layer and I just held my hand upside down while it kind of settled so that it wouldn't run off the sides, and it did leave it on a pretty thick coat, which is good. So it's basically encapsulation with regular nail polish, but I feel like not only does that make it smooth as far as texture, but it makes the sparkles, I would say, more glistening-y, maybe, you know what I'm saying, because now you're seeing them through a layer of something. So I think that's pretty cool. I like these. They weren't too complicated, didn't take incredibly long either, which is great because sometimes this stuff can with all the wait times, and I didn't have to do any hand nail art, so that's lucky. I am going to try and get you some photos outside. It's too late today, it's dark out there, but I'm going to try and get you some tomorrow so that I can get them included in here. But in case I'm not able to, at least here is this video. Please let me know what you think about this. Does it look like what the intention was? I suppose, like, I guess my way of describing what this should look like is kind of like a geode. Like, it's a crusty crystal on the outside and you crack it open and there's something in it, but it's almost reverse because the crusty crystals are on the outside and you crack it open and it's marble. I don't know. It's something, but it'll do. Got a naked hand over here I'll address later, but this is what we've got for January's mystery nail art, and I don't hate it. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your likes and your comments. Please do make sure that you are subscribed. As you know, sometimes you think you're subscribed and you are not, so go ahead and check. We are growing slowly, inching ever closer to the 500 subscribers for the giveaway, and you definitely want to be here for that. So thank you again one more time, and I will see you in the next video.